Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the AI chat in SaaSWA. As of now, SaaSWA support OpenAI agents. So there are two agents we are supporting. One is the OpenAI Assistant, another one is OpenAI Response. So if you go to the OpenAI Assistant, you can able to see OpenAI has deprecated the Assistant API, which will be shut down on August 26, right? I mean next year, 2026. Then they are mentioning instead of using the Assistant API, you can use the Respond API with the prompt in the next page, right? So that is this one, OpenAI Response. So if you don't know how to set up the OpenAI Assistant, OpenAI Response, there are good video out there, and you can check the YouTube channel with the same thumbnail. You can able to find out how to set up the OpenAI Response and OpenAI Assistant. So in this video, I am going to explain about the AI chat config. So if you want to work with any kind of OpenAI agents like OpenAI Assistant or Response, what you can do is you have to select that agent you want to work with. For in this example, I'm going to choose the OpenAI Assistant. I just choose this one, OpenAI Assistant. So once you choose the OpenAI Assistant, you have to enable this one and click serve. So once you complete the serving, so whoever message to this number, they will get the response from this configured agents. You can able to see if you want to limit the AI response. For example, sometime in your use case, you want to know like only AI want to respond 5 messages. After that, they want to disable the AI chat. So in those cases, then you have to mention okay. So in this case, I just mentioned 5, right? So if I click serve, what will going to happen is if anyone messaged to you or this configured WhatsApp number, after 5 responses, AI will disable that chat, which means then you have to open this one manually and you have to respond it. So I just choose one my contact, this one. Oh, contacts, you can able to see AI is enabled, right? And if I click this chat, in the bottom I am getting AI assistant enabled. If anyone message to this number, right? I mean this configured SaaSWA configured number, AI will respond. After the 5 response, it will disable it, and then you have to message to that customer, because as per your AI configuration, 5 chat will be handled. So in case if you come to this place, you can able to see what is the chat going on. If you want to disable AI, you can able to disable it, and once you disable it, you can able to see chat UI is available. Then you can able to send a message and start the conversation. In case if it's difficult for you and you are allowing AI to handle, you just can enable this one. So once it's enabled, AI will handle the rest of the chats. And that's all for the AI chat config, and thank you so much.